This is a full 3D magnetic force experiment you can run in seconds. Close the switch, current starts flowing, and magnetic force appears instantly. Change the rheostat to vary current. Higher current, stronger force. That force shows up as a live scale change, so you can actually measure the effect. Flip battery polarity, current reverses, and the force direction reverses too. Flip magnet polarity, and force flips again. Exactly what vector physics predicts. Core idea: magnetic force depends on current, field, and direction. Rotate the scene to see current, field, and force in 3D, not just as flat arrows. This turns textbook equations into prediction, experiment, and evidence. Try it, test your predictions, and make magnetic force visual.